Hey, welcome to episode 3 of Terraria Let's Play. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. Um, I just got a little sidetracked, but as you can see, I dug out a little bit back there. I made like a little living room over here. It's really nice. But yeah, as you can see, it is raining, and there are a lot of slimes outside. Uh-oh. Maybe we can, do a rain dance or something. Yeah, rain dance. Alright, so... Whoa! Another star! But yes, today is all about improving the cave, because we don't want to live in an ugly cave. But as you can see, I already did a little bit of work. I put down a chair, and there's a little sign here. Um, yeah, there's nothing on it right now. I'm gonna do that later. I don't have time for that, but I'm gonna get the star. Ooh, go back in. Wah! Okay. Maybe we can do a rain dance. Yeah, rain dance. Look, Logan, he's just walking up and down. He's kind of doing a rain dance too. Well, can't really do a rain dance underground. So, ooh, okay. Oh, that zombie's got a poncho on, like a rain poncho. Okay, let's craft the furnace, just so we can smelt stuff and stuff like that. Okay. Oh no, this was a mistake. Oh no, don't get Logan. No. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think we're gonna get through. Ah. Oh no. We've got a bit of a problem. So many gravestones. Okay. Okay. Yes! We did it. Alright. Now. Alright. It's time to do a rain dance, I guess. Rain. Oh, da. Na. I don't know what else to do, so I'm just gonna keep doing a rain dance. But if you're enjoying the series, subscribe, like the video, and hit notifications. Oh, gotta go back in. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye bye.